Edwin Sodi, the sodium collector, the home wrecker. He has wrecked a 4-year relationship, guys. Yeah. He funds more Instagram baddies and influencers than NSFAS has ever funded all the students on its roster. Edwin Sodi, you will pay. You will pay. Home wrecker, you're a slut. I can't call him that. I can't call him that because he knows people that know my ex that is under the jail. Tusam passenger. Yan amukela kumqobo yami bomtaba kadad, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-auntie, bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. For the last time in September, please follow your sister. We have made it to the end of September, but at what cost? At how many scatters per hour? I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you are looking for more your syllabus has really ruined my English. If you are looking for more traffic on your platforms, hit the number on your screen down below. And if you want to promote your YouTube channel so we can see it and watch you, hit the number on your screen down below. Today's video is sponsored by a mobility and delivery app called Nice Nice. Nice Nice is an e-hailing service that is so unique. You know why? Let's say you are commuting from Pretoria to Johannesburg Center, and you see maybe that trip is like 200 rands, and you're like, 200 a day? That's too much. Guess what? You scheduled your ride and you say, I'm coming from Pretoria, I'm going to Sandton. Nice Nice will find other people that use the same route as you and you get to share a ride. So that 200 trip, if there's 3 of you in the car, you divide it by 3. If there's 2 of you in the car, you divide it by 2. So you end up paying less, So if you are trying to save some coin, this app is perfect for you, especially if you are a scholar, a student, a daily commuter going to work and back, or you just want to save those coins. Nice Nice is also coming up with some delivery services from food and parcels. So be on the lookout. You can download it on your Google App Store and listen, happy commuting, because with Nice Nice, there's respect in every mile. I hope you guys download it and you start using their services because it's fairly new. But I love the ride share idea, especially when it comes to saving those coins. Imagine, guys, if a trip is like 300 rands and then you share that ride with other people. And if you guys are confused about how does that happen, you need to schedule your ride ahead of time. So let's say you're going to Sandton at 3 p.m. You schedule your trip now this morning so that during the day, it finds you, your fellow commuters, by 3 p.m. The ride is ready to go and there's people in the car with you so that you pay less. If you've got any more questions, leave them in the comment section down below. But for now, happy riding with Nice Nice. Respect in every mile. Okay, now. When I tell you khungata, I mean khungata. When I tell you who busy, I mean it's a lot. Okay? Let us first talk about Kat Matlala and Katiso Molefe and Hangwane Maumela. All these names are part of the most dangerous syndicate to ever take place in South Africa. You remember earlier on, in a few months ago, I was reporting on Kat Matlala and how he has been dubbed the John Wick of South Africa with his alleged crimes going all the way back to 2010s, allegedly with heists. And the biggest one was the Tembisa Hospital saga, where they defunded the hospital millions and millions of rands. I am talking about the tunes of 2 2 billion rand, you know, and how Babita, oh, may God rest her beautiful soul, you know, she was the whistleblower to just uncover the shenanigans that were taking place with the tender system in Tembisa Hospital, implicating Kat Matlala and Hangwani Maumela, who is allegedly Cyril Ramaphosa's nephew, allegedly through his previous marriage. Okay, this investigation has involved and implicated so many people in the government service, even police, all the way to the Minister of Police, Bheki Cele Senzo Mchunu. Kiri khungata, khubisi, guys. We are living in such a lawless state that if General Mkwanazi did not put his claws and sink his eyes deep into this, we would not know what the hell is going on in our country. Okay, Kiri, ANC delegates were being paid for by Hangwani and Ket Matlala, allegedly. Can you imagine? You know? So between the Mazanga Commission and the Special Investigation Unit, we are finding out a lot. Police officers who were not being bribed, who were trying to blow the whistle, were either losing their lives, losing their jobs, or life was being made difficult for them not to just leak anything. The corrupt ones were benefiting money, cash, cars, houses. Okay, this man allegedly, Ohangwan Maumela, this man only has one picture in his whole life that is out there in public. Maumela, 4 Lamborghinis. 4 Lamborghinis, like through the asset forfeiture unit, has taken assets from him. 4 Lamborghinis. What is one person doing with 4 Lamborghinis? A Bentley. That is 5 million rands, guys. One Lamborghini is 51 million. Am I right? Am I wrong? Or is it Jacob Zuma Met? I don't know. But 4 Lamborghinis, a Bentley, a boat, houses in Bantry Bay, in the most expensive places in the province, okay? Baddies. Baddies were being flown all around with your tax money. And your own president is so quiet. Is so quiet because he's so corrupt. Your cupcake is actually itombolola last week. Oh, you don't know how deep my hatred runs for the president of South Africa, guys. You don't understand. Crazy things are happening in your country with your tax money, and we are not getting any answers. Okay? I need Ket Matlala to rot under beneath the basement of the jail. If there's solitary confinement, he should be pushed down to a yini submarine confinement. I don't need this man seeing one day outside of prison. He is worse. Worse. What? You know, as a black person, stealing from black people in the most disadvantaged areas. Tembisa Hospital is a public hospital that is supposed to be helping people with their health, and you steal for them to fund Instagram baddies so we can see how your girlfriends are getting Louis Vuitton bags, Chanel bags. Nang irritator, Nin. Nang irritator. Just this. You know, it upsets me that people that are supposed to defend us are instead throwing us under the bus. As long as their bank accounts are healthy. Oh, I hope you pay. I hope you pay. Speaking of corrupt men in crooked places, that one of Edwin Sodi. Oh my goodness. He is in the center of young love right now, guys. A young man came onto his TikTok and he started talking about how his girlfriend of 4 years cheated on him when she started getting fame and influencer campaigns, and how that relationship came to a screeching vuvum when Edin Sodi was implicated.
So I've been dating this person for about 4 years now, and we grew up together, and I've posted her multiple times. Some of you guys know her. I don't need to mention her. It turns out that for the past 9 months since she got famous, we took a break in between because we had problems in our relationship because of her sudden rise to fame. There were certain things that were kind of getting becoming a problem. Turns out she was cheating the whole time. One of the people that she cheated with is a possible billionaire who is also involved in two scandals of corruption and undelivered tenders. He also owns two nightclubs, one in Cape Town and one in Joburg. Another person is an individual who you may have seen on Young, Rich, and Famous. I'm not too sure if you guys know that show. And another one is a social media influencer. There's a fourth one, but we don't need to mention that. That was just a regular guy. It turns out that once you accrue fame to some degree, sometimes it changes you. And I wanted to involve myself more in social media because I found it to be interesting and because of my support for her. Because in the past 2 years, she really rose to fame, and I was very proud of her. I bought her first tripod. She's really into fitness, so you know, I'm also, and we got along well. But it turns out that influencers are not the way, guys.
Now, as you can see, he does not name exactly Edwin Sodi. He also says there were three other guys. So this girl was apparently up and down in the crooked places with four men, including Edwin Sodi. And this beautiful girl was investigated and found out one thing about us. We work more than the police works when it comes to investigating. They found out that this is none other than Kanye Mzobe, the fitness influencer who is now a sodium. Mm, you know, and this boy is so hurt because he invested in his girlfriend's career and bought her first tripod. And now this is what she does to him. Hmm? She has become one of the sodiums of Edwin Thanos. Mm. Like Edwin Agasuti, guys, he is not enough that his voice is in all the playlists of influencers and Instagram baddie. This man does more for baddies than Nesfas does for students. This man has funded more trips to the Tap and July to the overseas than Nesfas has bought textbooks for first years, second years, and third years. Edwini, how huri? Morogo, spinach, madumbe, mazambane. You want it all. That time you can't even fix one of your tenders. You get all the tenders, but you don't even do one good thing. Hmm? Nina, you will pay. You will pay. In general corners, I trust. Nina. Oh, and let's talk about the whole Promise and Owami saga. So people were like, Sims, guys, when I like try to do a story, I try to remove myself from the story and just give you what is going on. But when it comes to the Owami and Promise saga, let me tell you now, me me personally, I am not a big fan of Promise's previous content because she said a lot of painful things regarding baby mamas and divorced women. And being both, can you imagine how that content set in my heart? So, yeah, but my thing is, everyone has their journey to go. And one thing about the wheel, it tends. And one thing about men, they are not the prize. I will never come on social media and throw women under the bus and uplift men, knowing that there's a man in my life that can turn on me at any moment and at any time. I don't rejoice in someone else's pain, but my thing is, do you see that us getting divorced? Do you see what led to us being baby mamas? Do you see what led us to also being divorced? Hmm? You cannot bet on a man that has a divorce, you know? So, yeah, that is my stance on this. Not happy that a family is broken. I'm coming from a point of, do you see that Aslan as divorced women? Do you see that Aslan as baby mamas? Hmm? That's where I'm coming from. Yeah, let us talk in the comment section down below.